Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I will show you how to easily create stunning 3x3 grid portrait using Google Gemini Latest tool powered by Nano Banana. It's super quick and you only need one photo to get 9 different portrait variations. Okay, let's get started. First, just open Google Gemini like this. You can use either the app or the website, and then make sure you are logged in with your Google account so you can access all creative tools, and then just choose create image, or you can also tap on tools icon and then create images like this, which is powered by Nano Banana. This Google newest feature that lets you instantly edit or generate images just by typing a prompt. Next, just upload the photo that you want to use. It could be a portrait or a selfie or any clear image of yourself or someone else, but this uploaded photo will act as the reference for your 3x3 portrait grid. Just tap on plus button and then gallery. And here's the where magic happens. In the prompt box, just type something like this. You can copy this prompt and tweak it to match your own styles. Maybe feature cityscapes or fantasy backgrounds or minimal studio vibes. It's totally flexible. And when you're done, just tap on generate. And okay, like this, you will get a 3x3 grid of 9 portraits, each with a unique pose and background. How cool is that? I love how its portraits feel fresh and unique, but they all still look consistent with the original photo. And okay, that's it. That's how you can create a 3x3 grid portrait with Nano Banana in Google Gemini. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.